We're going at 90 miles an hour.
The consciousness of the people of this planet, so that each of us is members of the same family, who are here to claim their birthright of unconditional love and oneness. If we don't do it, who will? Maybe from 6 to 12 inches. Just let it expand in your mind and your imagination. And now to cleanse the body of negativity. Experience that rising from the floor and moving up through this expanded consciousness of the body is a violet transmuting flame. And you can experience this flame beginning to radiate up through the body. And wherever the flame moves, the negative emotions of anger, fear, jealousy, and hate are being consumed and transmuted into the higher vibrations of love and unconditional acceptance. Higher in vibration. Higher in vibration. Higher. Higher. Radiate. Flame to die down. Place your awareness in your heart and visualize it as a great cathedral with vast, high ceilings, high walls, and long passageways. Stroll along these halls and see them permeated with the color pink, and I'll return to you in one moment's time.
10 o'clock Saturday morning, to give it a run today to Girvan, but the forecast has changed from last night. So anyway, I wanted to go that way and be alright, that way and be alright, that way and be alright. Going that way, I just can't do it. There we go, leaving Troon for the second time. Hopefully get there to Girvan this one. I'm a bit nervous. Weather forecast isn't brilliant, but what's new? So I'm gonna give it a go. It's now about 1500 hours. So the next 4 or 5 hours are going to be pretty interesting. We'll see where we go from there. See you in a bit.
Next, move your consciousness to your thyroid gland.
Hey, past Lady Island. Not going too bad. It's a bit lumpy, but could be worse. Making me feel a bit sick, to be honest with you. It's because I haven't been out for a while. Oh, it's yeah, getting about 4 knots average over ground, but then we slap and knock down to 2, so it's a bit frustrating. It's typical wind on the nose, wind over tide. You get a good roll and then you just go back to 2 knots and then up to 4 and then back to 2. But we're making progress. We're going south. We're not going north, which is a good thing. So we'll just keep it going. Fingers crossed. Hey.
And visualize it as a powerful generating station. Stroll through this station, taking note of many of the humming motors, and see everything surrounded with the vitality of the pink light. Until next, you hear my voice. Place your consciousness in your pineal gland and experience there a throne, and yourself upon the throne, sustained by the loving color pink, and project this onto the moon.
I've come inside for some shelter. I'm getting bloody drenched out there, but it's more scary in here looking through the window. Have a look at this.
Next, hear my voice.
Getting a bit exciting. There's a boat out here which is just lucky enough he had my number. I met him in Troon, and his engine's just cut out en route to Girvan with me, so I'm either going to try and tow him. I've just called the lifeboat for him because his radio's playing up as well, and raised a pan, so I'm heading back now just to give him some assistance and see where we go from here, and I'll wait the lifeboat to come out and give him a tow. So we'll see where we go from here. Woohoo!
And when you arrive in the heart...
As soon as we can, I'll give you a shout again on channel 12. If you could leave your radio on 12, over.
Yes, I will do, Girvan lifeboat. I've just got to run from the cockpit. I've single-handed myself, so if there's a little bit of a delay, it's just running into the out of the cockpit, over.
Zuma, that's copied and understood. We'll be with you as soon as we can. Girvan lifeboat out.
Thank you very much. I'm going to stay with Sergeant Pepper till you get here, over.
Zuma, Girvan lifeboat, that's good. Copied and understood. We'll be with you as soon as we can, over.
There's the lifeboat.
High, vaulted ceilings and long passageways. And as you stroll along the...
Zuma, this is Girvan lifeboat on channel 12, over.
All receiving. Over.
Zuma, we seem to have you on visual now, and we're heading directly in your direction. Can you just count to 10 again for me, over?
Yeah, what do you mean count to 10, over?
You can count slowly to 10, transmitting on your radio, then we can get a fix using a direction detector on our boat, over. It's okay because nobody else is listening.
No problem. 1, 2. 7, 8, 9, 10. Over.
Zuma, that was very good. Thanks very much. We have you directly on our head now, and we'll be with you as soon as we can. Over.
There's the heroes. Absolutely fantastic. Whew. That was one way of killing an hour. Back en route into Girvan. The lifeboat's got the other boat now. So, good deed done for the day. So it doesn't get too dark too quick. Zoom out. It's getting dark and I'm not in yet. About 3 miles to go. The lifeboat's got Sergeant Pepper now, so all good on that side of things. So I've just got to head in now and get tied up for the night. But looks like we may make Girvan. Bit of an eventful one, but hey, all adds to the fun of it. First time I've had to call a lifeguard It's always better when you don't do it for yourself, I suppose. But good to be of assistance. He's a cracking fella. Here we are entering Girvan. I'm absolutely right the life out of me. I'm trying to get into a place where I've never been before. By far the scariest moment so far.
Move your consciousness again to your thyroid gland and visualize it as a powerful generating station. Stroll through the station, taking note of the many humming odors you see, and everything will be vitalized by the color gold.
Oh.
Until you next hear my voice.
I'm in.
Place your consciousness in your heart. Visualize it as a great cathedral. Strolling along the hallways, you see them permeated with the color royal blue until you next hear my voice. Now place your consciousness in your pituitary gland. And see there the earth and its many people, upon whom you project this beautiful royal blue color. And I'll return in one moment's time. Now you move in your consciousness up to your pineal gland, and there's the throne. And you seat yourself upon the throne, sustained by the color royal blue. Project this color to the peoples of the earth, and you raise your consciousness, and you also raise theirs. And you will stay in this higher level of consciousness, functioning normally and naturally for an indefinite period of time.